Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Toyota Corolla XSE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in midnight black metallic. And under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be running on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your daytime running lights, your fog lamps, your sports styled front grille, and your power tilt sunroof. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Corolla has to offer. Helping us inside, we've got our key fob, we have the lock and unlock buttons, we've also got our trunk latch and our panic button. We have a smart key system as well, so we'll unlock once for the driver's side door, twice for all four. I'll show you how that smart key system works in just a second, but we're going to check out our back seat. So here we have our passenger area with those two cup holders and that fold down center piece. We have that nice leather all the way through with that blue piping for details, and a little bit of space there for your storage. For the smart key system, I got the keys in my pocket. All I'm going to do to lock up is place my finger on these two grooves, and to unlock, all I'm going to do is place my hand inside the handle. We're unlocked. So we have our door panel, all four window buttons, lock and unlock and window lock, plus some space underneath. And to the left of our seat, we've got our automatic chair adjustment right there. Just to the left of our steering wheel, we have our mirror adjuster. We've got our heated steering wheel button and our rain sensing windshield wipers as well. So we'll sit down. Because it is that smart key system, we'll press the brake and we'll start the engine. Alright, so we'll just wait for that beeping to stop. Alright, so the left hand side of our steering wheel is going to be used for the entertainment system. We got the volume, we got the channel selector, we have our hands-free calling, we also have our voice recognition and mode selector. The right hand side is for our multi-information display. Cycling through a few of these little pieces, we have our compass, we've got the audio on and off, we have our lane departure and detection, we have a couple pieces we can turn off here as well. Pre-collision system, we've also got the sway warning that works in conjunction with our lane departure alert, eco readouts, and our current fuel consumption. That right hand side also has a trip button and the lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. Looking a little closer at our entertainment system, you can see that we do have our navigation. We've got the audio system with our phone as well. Looking at our audio system, here's our sources: AM, FM, Bluetooth, XM, auxiliary CD and USB. Some applications including the eco area. We can look at our consumption rates and past record of driving. We'll look at our backup camera as well. Nice view of what's going on behind us with those beautiful little guidelines. And a little bit further down, we have our climate system. The paddles is all you'll need to change those right up. We have our front and rear defrost air conditioning for those summer months. A little further down, we've got our heated seats, USB and auxiliary ports, and 12-volt DC outlet as well. And then we have our standard mode if we need a little bit more control over it, and we can use that in conjunction with the paddle shifters that are right behind our hands on the steering wheel. A little bit further back, we have the sport mode for a little more power, a little more edginess, and a little more attitude. And then we have our traction control as well. Opening up our center console, we have our first level and then second level as well for a little bit extra space. Going down, we have some beautiful detailing here along our dashboard. And opening up our glove box, we've got our user manual inside there, and we can pop whatever else we might need quickly. Couple more features, we've got our automatic dimming rear view mirror, we've got 3 garage door buttons, and then if we look up a little further, we've got the buttons for our power sliding sunroof. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So we'll take a look at the cargo area. We can either hold the button on our key fob or we can press the button on our trunk. We'll hold this button right here, opening right up. And we can see we got lots of space back here. We've also got the 60/40 splitting rear seat. And then we've got all of our equipment to change our tire if we need, so our jack and all of our tools. So we'll close right up. Let's take a last look at our 2018 Toyota Corolla XSE. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated leather front seats, your Bluetooth compatibility, and your backup camera for all of your convenience needs. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. So come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton in the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.